Hi, Todd with Whole Latte Love. We have Mark shooting this behind the camera.
What are we doing, Todd?
We're going to show you how to take off the panels on the ECM Synchronika. And so take it off and put them back on.
Really easy.
Yeah, that's one of the main things, not one of the many things I love about this machine. First, we're going to take the water reservoir out. And obviously make sure the machine is unplugged. And there's only a few screws on the top here and the whole panels come right off. So we're going to start with this one over here. 2.5 millimeter Allen wrench. We'll loosen this, pull the screw out, and this panel comes right out.
So easy.
Yeah, so if you ever have to get inside to service something, this is the most serviceable machine that I know of, prosumer machine for home service and maintenance. Again, the screw comes out. Make sure you hold the panel or it will fall right off. Now there's two in the back here to take this one off. There's one. And I'll hold the panel here so it doesn't fall off when I take it out.
And then look at that. Oh my gosh.
So the panels. Now if you want to take the top off, two screws, you don't have to necessarily take these off, you can just loosen them. And you can pull it right off.
Slide right out.
Okay, so to put it back together, snug those. Now when you put the panels back on, you have tabs here. And they slide into little areas down here. So it goes in, then you go up. Okay. I'll do the back one first. Are we timing this?
Nope.
Sorry about the close-up of my hands there. I'm sure that's not too beautiful.
Working man hands.
Yeah, they've been around the block a couple times.
And when you put these back together, on some machines, you know, that are a little more complex to take apart, you kind of got to line up seams a little bit before you really tighten stuff down.
That's true. You got to mess it around a little bit with them.
Really not the case on this.
Nope. So get this in. If it's hitting there, just raise up a touch. It'll slide underneath. Okay, slide around the other side of here.
Remember, line up those tabs.
Put it, yep. Get the tabs in, raise up, put it in. This is the exciting part.
Yeah, turning screws,
Yeah.
right?
Wait my whole life for this. Hope you have too. Okay.
You know, if you like these videos, we got tons of the tech stuff on espresso machines of all varieties, right?
And we're going to make a bunch more. So again, Todd, Mark, thanks for watching.
Want to learn more? Subscribe now so you'll know about the latest videos on everything coffee from Whole Latte Love.